Here's a quick daily tip for your business. Giving everyone full access to your company's data is like leaving your office safe, wide open. You want your team to work efficiently, but you also need to protect your sensitive business information. That's exactly why we built a powerful role-based permission system into Quark ERP, giving you complete control over who can view, create, edit, approve, or delete data across your organization. As your business grows, you don't want unauthorized employees accidentally changing accounting records, viewing payroll information, or accessing sensitive financial data. To get started, simply open Users and Roles from the left side menu and click Roles and Permissions. From this centralized page, you can manage your entire organization's access with ease, including standard roles such as sales, accounting, and human resources, module-level permissions, create, view, update, delete, approve, and cancel permissions, department-level access control, approval workflows, and many more advanced security features to keep your business secure and organized. Let's say you're creating an accounting role. Simply enable the accounting-related modules such as chart of accounts, journals, bookkeeping, financial reports, accounting settings, and any other accounting features your staff require. Each module contains its own sub-permissions, allowing you to decide exactly what accountants are allowed to do, from viewing reports to creating journal entries or updating accounting settings. After that, click Save Changes. Since only the accounting module has been granted full access, every other module will automatically remain denied, helping keep your business secure. Sometimes, you might feel managing hundreds of individual permission attributes can become complicated and time-consuming. That's why we've developed a brand new permission guide, making permission management much faster and more intuitive through a simple visual interface. Instead of searching through dozens of permission attributes, simply click Permission Guide from the top right corner. You'll see a list of available modules that can be controlled with a single click on the right side each of the modules. First, you need to choose a role you would like to edit. For example, to give some of the permission to a sales role. Just hover Business Branch, choose Allow, then click Apply. Instantly, every permission related to the Business Branch module is automatically updated. Need to allow more modules? Simply hover on Unit Conversion, set it to Allow, then hover on Currency Exchange and then set it to Allow as well. Finally, click Apply. You'll immediately see the summary update, for example, showing 5 modules allowed. With the permission guide, you no longer need to manually configure dozens or even hundreds of complex permission attributes one by one. Our intuitive UI automatically groups related permissions together, allowing you to manage user access quickly, accurately, and with just a few clicks. One more thing we would like to say that you can customize permissions for every role. Right now, we're viewing the owner role, so everything is allowed and full access, and there is no highlighted feature surrounding the button. If you switch to the accounting role, you may notice the highlighted permission here. This is the permission we're going to editing. Simply choose Allow or Deny. For example, if you deny the permissions guide for accounting role, all the employee of the accounting roles won't be able to open it or change any role permissions. You can do the same for create roles. If you deny it, accounting users won't be able to create new roles. The Create Role button will automatically disappear from their screen. You'll also notice that some modules look faded or greyed out. That's because this role doesn't have permission to access them. For example, the accounting role may not be allowed to access suppliers, customers, business branches, unit conversion, currency exchange, and other restricted modules. This makes it incredibly easy to see exactly what each role can access, helping you keep your business organized and secure. You can also assign permissions to entire user groups, making onboarding new employees fast and consistent. Once you've configured your roles, Quark ERP automatically saves every permission setting, so future employees can be assigned the correct access level with just a few clicks. At the Paradance, we're continuously improving Quark ERP. If you have ideas for new security features or permission controls, we'd love to hear your feedback. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more daily Quark ERP tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.